everyone, welcome to DIY Happy Home. My name is Carla and I got a carvable pumpkin from the Dollar Tree, and I also bought a gray t-shirt there for $1 as well, and I plan on making a gray t-shirt pumpkin. I start out by cutting the gray t-shirt into small strips. And next I take a small serrated steak knife to carve a hole in the pumpkin. Thanks to viewer Molly, who commented that I should use a serrated knife. This is much better than the screwdriver that I was using in my last video. Thanks, Molly. And next I take a t-shirt strip and basically wrap it around, tucking each end into the hole. Then I realized that I could work much faster to cover the pumpkin by using larger strips at first, and then I will use smaller strips to create the pumpkin texture that I want. Here I am working with the larger strips of t-shirt material, working around the pumpkin to cover the orange of the pumpkin. You could paint the base of your orange pumpkin as well. I decided not to, and if the orange shows through, I don't mind, but that is a step you could add if you are worried that your orange will show through the t-shirt material. Here I am with the smaller little pieces of t-shirt material, and this time I am tucking one end in and I am twisting the t-shirt material around to create grooves of the pumpkin. Because these are carvable pumpkins, it's amazing how much material can fit in the hole each time I wrap it around. I didn't have any problems with the t-shirt material fitting in there. Here I am cutting more strips of the t-shirt. I do plan on using most of it to cover this pumpkin. When I get to the last strip, I am trying to decide if I want to leave some fabric out to make it look like little loops for leaves or push the whole thing in. I opted to leave little loops hanging out. I thought it kind of looked like little leaves, and I left it like that. Next, I took the stem that came with the pumpkin and I used my glue gun to attach some jute twine. I basically started at the bottom of the stem and just kept winding around until I reached the top. I could still see some green paint, which bothered me, of course, so I wound some more jute twine, again attaching it with some more hot glue to cover up that green. Now I'm attaching the stem back into the pumpkin, and I'm going to adhere it with some hot glue. I also tie some more jute to the top for some little spirals. I'm sort of shocked with how easy this pumpkin was to make. I'm starting to think it would be a great craft for kids. Just cut the strips of t-shirt for them and cut the hole for them, and they can do the rest. Let me know if you plan on making a t-shirt pumpkin, and if so, what color you plan on making in the comments. I appreciate you watching today, and I hope you feel free to comment, like, and share this video. Also, please subscribe to my channel. It really does help my channel out a lot. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you next time.